what are the main steps right now of getting a mortgage? Number one, what would you do?
Number one, file the paperwork and just have the commercial approval. Look in if you have the capital you need to invest, if you like the terms that you have in front of you, and if we can proceed. If we do, then we file the full dossier and we expect the risk department approval. If the house is something that will make your wife happy, or you in that case, and you want to decide faster, just hire an independent valuator that you already know that you have a mortgage, and then he knows that the house is worth that amount.
Right.
And then obviously you can sign a promissory and reserve the house for yourself, because
that comes to my question. At what point does the bank lend the money? Is it at the promissory contract, or is it at the deed, or both?
If it is a construction project on a very good developer, the bank will finance the construction, part of the construction, if you want to. It's not efficient. It's around 5% interest rate, but it's just interest only, so it's not repayment. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. But the bank will only let go the money for the mortgage once you can sign the title deed.
Okay, the title deed, so that's really important to know.
Yes.
Also, imagine I'm a developer and I'm buying a project, a property, a land.
Yes.
In that case, what does the bank finance?
In that case, the plot of land is a challenging one, because it needs to have a project approved in order for the bank to finance the purchase. And the bank will only finance the purchase if it is purchase and works. So the mortgage needs to be submitted for both. This requires an additional work, which is to find a developer to give you a quote, and then
to approve the project, go to the town hall, have that done. Once that's done, then you can have the mortgage.
But sometimes, as you know, you have already plots that have the project approved.
Correct.
The only thing is you need to have a budget of construction in order to put this in the bank, because the bank will never approve just the purchase of the plot. They will approve the purchase of the plot and the financing of the works.
So you're saying that as a developer, or even as a property owner, if you want to build your house, you can get financing on the land with the project approved, and also the construction?
Yes.
And what would be the percentage, the LTV for construction?
For construction, you can go all the way to 90%.
Wow.
It's very interesting. Even as a foreigner, 80% if you want to be conservative, because again, every time we increase the loan to value, we reduce the number of banks that we can bank with. And 50% for the plot, if it has the project approved.
Wonderful.